This is the all-new Amazfit Helio Strap Pro. Today I'm going to unbox it, show it what it's like. This is probably the ultimate Hyrox fitness wearable tracking device, and I'm going to show you what's in the box. Maybe we got to do a Hyrox with this. Let me know which Hyrox I should do, but we'll do a full review, so comment below questions that you have. Let's just see what's in the box, because this is a new kit that just got announced this year at Hyrox Worlds, and I was like, I have to try this. We have the Amazfit Helio Core Motion Heart Rate and the Core Motion Waist. So this is going to auto-detect your Hyrox workouts and your heart rate. It's going to have two devices. So that's why this is game-changing. There's nothing else like this out there. This is the world's first Hyrox-defined wearable almost. So this is the heart rate monitor, the Helio Core Motion Heart Rate. It uses the same charger as all the other Amazfit devices. I love that. It's USB-C, it's portable, it's small, it's easy to use. One dream, can we have a charging case? I want something with a month's worth of battery life. I can just plop this on and not have to plug it in unless I really want to. And then this is the Motion, which, look at us, it goes on your waist. It's the Helio Core Motion Waist, and it clips on your waist, same charger. It's gonna help figure out which exercise you're doing. So I've done a few Hyroxes, I've worn Amazfit watches every time I do it. They're the official Hyrox sponsor and the official wearable for Hyrox. And they have a workout and a race option for doubles and individuals where I can select what workout I want to do, or I can go through each of the exercises, so that way, one, don't miss the exercises, and two, I can track the time that I did for each exercise. The downside though is I sometimes forget to press the next button, and this is going to help change that because it'll auto-detect when I'm doing each one. And that's going to make my life that much easier, because when I'm racing, I just don't remember to do that. Maybe during workouts it's easier. So this waist will go inside of this piece right here, and then it clips onto my waist like so. This seems pretty firm. It's rubber, so it shouldn't slide off. Says Amazfit on there, looks clean, looks good. And then when I need to charge it, you will have to push it out of this thing and put it on the same charger that comes on here. But now you will have two devices to charge, you will have two devices to wear. I don't love that, but like if it's gonna be auto tracking, I do love that. That's a big value add. We've got two straps here. We've got the black strap. I like these kind of straps because they're just good for working out, easier to dry. We'll put the pod right there. And then we also have a colored orange / version as well. Ooh, look at that. I love this like Amazfit Velcro. Looks clean. These are the kind of probably the best like workout straps because you can customize the exact length you need to your arm that day, and just wearing it as a bicep band is probably my preferred option. So this is a nice big bicep band. So as you can see, this is for the wrist. So if you want to wear it on your wrist for the heart rate monitor, this is the bicep band. If you want to wear the heart rate monitor on your bicep, this will go clip onto your waist. It's the Helio Core Motion Heart Rate, Helio Core Motion Waist, and it's all going to integrate with the Zepp app. So you really want to make sure to download that. Zepp powered by Amazfit. I guess you can't log in on two phones with the Zepp app. So we're going to re-log in and log out of the other device. Boom, we're signed in. Now devices, I've reviewed a ton of Amazfit devices. We have them all here. So if you want to watch those, we can have that linked at the end of this video. So now we're going to add a new device. Pair the device, put it on the charger, finding accessory, the Helio Core Motion Heart Rate, set up. Accessory pair, look how easy and swift that was. Absolutely love that. Synchronizing device data, devices initializing. Welcome to Helio Core Motion Heart Rate. Designed for performance and Hyrox training. So you're gonna be wearing both. You wear them together to unlock cardio exertion, muscle exertion, and Hyrox strength station performance insights in Hyrox race and Hyrox simulation workouts. That's huge. Wear the device correctly. Watch Helio Core Motion Waist on the waist, Helio Core Motion Heart Rate. 3 devices. What a joy. Start Hyrox race or Hyrox simulation on the watch and unlock Hyrox performance analysis. So now I guess I gotta sign up for another Hyrox race to test this out. Which one should I do? I live in New York, but I did Anaheim. What else is fun? Which one should I do? Get Hyrox performance insights, track cardio exertion, muscle exertion, and station-by-station performance insights throughout your Hyrox race. So you can see your exact times and duration, and it'll all be within the app. So now we're charging this Helio Core Motion Heart Rate. I'm gonna take this bad boy off so that way we can connect the waist version as well. Add device, workout sensor, Helio Core Motion Waist. Next, seamless, setup, pairing accessory. Wow, this is like very well done. Accessory paired, that is so swift and easy. Helio Core Motion Waist. Pairing with Bluetooth, synchronizing device data, Amazfit Helio strap, device is initializing, it's like vibrating too, I can feel it, and then it tells you again what it's for. Done. All right, we got an update. So working together with the Amazfit watch, Helio Core Motion Heart Rate and Helio Core Motion Waist helps gain a deeper understanding of your training from multiple perspectives, including cardio exertion, muscle exertion, and Hyrox station performance. So that's the value. You're gonna get the waist is kind of like accelerometer to know, all right, are you ski erging? Are you sled pushing, pulling, burpees, rowing, farmer's carry, sandbag lunges? The heart rate monitor on your bicep is just more accurate because more movement, less accuracy on wrist heart rate monitors, just in general. So bicep more accurate. A lot of professional runners are using bicep heart rate monitors. And then finally, the watch to get all that data as well as be able to see time, duration, and you can see that information live as you're doing the workout. So I'm very excited to test this out. Comment questions that you have down below. I can do a Hyrox simulation and see how this all operates so we can kind of review it and show you. Follow me at Shervin Shares, at Shervin Shares Reviews. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.